Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video I'm going to be making a tapestry type thing. I don't know the exact name for it, and I'll just hop right into the video. So here I am just measuring out the yarn, just kind of winging it and seeing how long I want it to be for the place I'm putting it. I pretty much just cut one the length that I wanted it and then use that as a guide for the rest of them. And here I'm just starting to loop on each of these strands of yarn. So pretty much I just doubled them up and then looped them through, if that makes any sense. It's really hard to explain what I'm doing, but it's a good thing that you're watching it. So I pretty much did 20 of the blue strands of yarn in the middle. And here I'm just doing the same thing with the cream yarn. I am going to measure it out and then cut it and use that one as a guide and cut the rest of the ball of yarn. Okay, so what I'm doing here is I'm taking 3 strands of the blue and 3 strands of the cream, and I'm putting that on the left and then on the right. And what I'm doing is I'm taking one of the cream and one of the blue at a time and looping those onto the wooden dowel, and then I will be braiding them together. Now on the outside of the 2 braids, I'm going to be adding 20 of the cream on both sides. Here I'm just adding a string to the top to hang it, and I'm counting out how many times I loop the yarn around the wooden dowels just so that I make sure it is even on both sides. That way it doesn't look weird when it's actually hanging. Yay, here's the fun part. Just kidding, this took me probably the longest out of everything because I kept cutting one side too short.
Don't touch it.
So, yeah. But all I did was just try to cut it by eye, like in a and this is taking me
Sit.
Yeah, so that is pretty much it. This project took me about an hour and a half or so. It's fairly easy and only cost me around $10. I would love to see if you try this out on your own. Send me pictures, and if you'd like to see me try any other do-it-yourself projects, let me know in the comments below. And thank you for watching.